How are you guys? So today I'm going to show you how to effectively practice on your instrument. It can be any instrument. It could be voice, guitar, piano, drums, you name it. So this will be great tips for you to follow. So here it goes. So 1, make sure you're warming up. Make sure you're exercising those hands, those vocal cords. Even if it's like 5 minutes, 2 minutes, at least warm up. It could be anything. You can warm up with a song you know, some scales. Any of those things will be good warm-up practices. 2, if you're learning a song, you want to make sure you're breaking it apart. So analyze the whole thing first. Is it in blues form? Is it in 1-4-5 one chord progression? Is there any melodies that are the same? What key is it in? What's the time signature? Figure out those things first before you start tackling the song, because you'll be surprised. There'll be some things that are similar, that are very repetitive. So make sure you analyze first what you're doing. This will help you out a lot in the long run. 3, go slow. If you do not go slow, again, you're setting yourself up for a disaster. Even if the song says to go in 200 BPM, still practice very slow. Once you feel like you got it slow, then you can get it fast. 4, use a metronome. A lot of people don't like to use metronomes. I understand, it's very annoying, I get it, but trust me, it will help you out in the long run. 5, take breaks. You don't want to exhaust yourself. Trust me, it's better to practice 15-30 minutes each day than 4 hours every day. But if you do want to practice super long, just at least take a few breaks in between. That is it. Bye guys.